Welcome to Layn University. My name's Conrad Layn. Welcome to Layn Tik University and welcome to Tik Tok. I'm going to teach you all another hack on how to actually build more wealth for your Turo business. And I know for 100% sure most Turos do not do this. So take some notes. I'm going to keep it as short as possible. Might go a little long, but I'm going to keep it short, people. This is how you do it. If you want to earn more income for your Turo and compound your wealth, start building different extras, but packages. Example, honeymoon package. Maybe you have a guest that's coming into town. You put maybe honeymoon package for $50, for example. They pay $50, and what does that come with? That comes with maybe roses, a romantic card, maybe a blanket for the beach, a picnic basket, maybe some candy, etc. You create a honeymoon package to encompass a romantic feeling so that anyone that's newlyweds, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, fiancés, or flying into your town or need to use a vehicle, you sell them a honeymoon package. And the cool thing, they can always add it on. So that's the thing. If you add honeymoon package, you set yourself apart from most tour hosts that don't even use extras, which is a great way to earn extra income. And even if they do use extras, usually something limited like prepaid gas or extra mileage. That's great, but let's make it more colorful. Honeymoon package, where you selling some sparkling water, no alcohol, sparkling water, maybe some roses, maybe a nice romantic card, a blanket for the beach, maybe a beach umbrella, a picnic basket, etc. Maybe a reservation list of different restaurants in your area, and you sell that to them for $50 maybe per trip, or $100 per trip, etc. As however nice you get it. That's how you do it. Or maybe sell, for example, a business person's package. Maybe sell them. Maybe you offer a mobile Wi-Fi unit where they can have internet access while on trip with you. Maybe they need internet. Maybe offer them an iPad, a laptop for their work, maybe a camera, etc. Right? You offer them a business package, maybe an SD card or whatever the case is, but you maybe sell it for $50 per trip or $100 per trip, etc. for a businessman or businesswoman package. Or you sell a fun day at the beach or fun day at the lake, maybe with some blankets, umbrellas for the sun, maybe a picnic basket, maybe some fishing poles, maybe some tackle and some bait, etc. You can make this as creative as possible, and you start actually creating these packages, family fun packages at the lake or at the beach, or romantic packages for newlyweds or husband and wives, or people that are actually renewing their vows, etc., or different couples, or just a romantic package for people. That's how if you think outside the box, this Turo's about the experience and really encompass that and and really develop the idea of creating a good experience for them, you're gonna build so much wealth and set yourself apart. You're gonna outcompete all the competition. That's how you do it, people. Follow me on YouTube and subscribe. Follow my Instagram and TikTok. But if you want to learn more and you're serious, I am a power host on a Turo platform. Make quite a bit of money. You can definitely do the same. You can be better than me. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Carly out. Peace.